Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Karen. Today is our group honor to be here to have a presentation. Before I start anything else, let me introduce my team members. Over here, this is Claire, Anna, and Eugene. We are board of directors in Rock Mining Ltd. And currently, we are running our rock project at Chester Range in the Pilbara region of WA, Australia. Today, we are going to talk about what should be addressed in any proposed accounting standard for reporting of social and environmental activities from the company internal management point of view. This is Claire. She's going to define the sustainability and talk about sustainability reporting methods, GRI, and mandatory sustainability reporting requirements. This is Anna. She's going to talk about how manager discharging their accountability, as well as how manager creating value among different stakeholders through sustainability report. This is Eugene. He's going to talk about pros and cons of accounting standard for social and environment report. Finally, it's me. My name is Karen. My role for today's group presentation is to let you guys know how the flow of the presentation, and I will conclude our presentation at the end. But now, let's pass through to Claire to talk about her point.
Societies of the 21st century are experiencing sustainability issues which predominantly result from climate change. Subsequently, an increasing focus is placed on organisations to prevent and reduce their impact on the environment and societies in which they operate in. Ultimately, businesses must be accountable for their actions in way of measuring and reporting on their social and environmental performance. First, I would like to begin by defining what sustainability means to us at Rock Mining Ltd. Sustainability was defined by Bertland as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. We very much agree with this statement and believe it is imperative for us to continue to make a profit in order to continue operations, although we must consider how to do so without causing damage to the environment and society. I will now be discussing current methods adopted by contemporary business for sustainability reporting. Sustainability reporting infers the concept of social contract, which means that organisations can only continue to exist if the society in which they operate recognise that they are operating with a value system that is consistent with society's own. A triple bottom line report refers to a report that presents not only information about the economic value of an entity, but also information upon which stakeholders can judge the environmental and social value of an entity. We at Rock Mining Ltd use this information to integrate sustainability into our business management decisions. Environmental reporting is a subset of sustainability reporting. Despite an upward trend in companies providing environmental reports, research does not show that an increase in environmental reporting has improved environmental performance. Furthermore, the legitimacy theory proposes that entities with poor environmental performance would most likely produce more detailed environmental information to address the legitimacy threats. The Global Reporting Initiative came about to standardise sustainability reporting with the aim to enhance transparency, comparability and clarity on a global scale. The GRI provides a framework of principles and performance indicators that an organisation can use to measure and report their economic, social and environmental performance. The GRI has recently released their G4 version of the guidelines. Integrated reporting is an international initiative designed to improve sustainability reporting and assimilate it more closely with financial and governance reporting. These global initiatives followed the global financial crisis and resulted from a perceived need for the protection of business, investors, employees and society. Specifically, in Australia, the Corporations Act 2001 requires directors to outline the company's performance in relation to environmental regulations. In conclusion, while the extent of contemporary business presenting sustainability reports has increased, there is limited guidance on appropriate methods of developing sustainability reports, and sustainability reporting in many countries remains voluntary. It is also the responsibility of the organisation to develop their own measurement and reporting format.
Thank you, Claire. We, internal management of Rock Mining Ltd, want to present sustainability reports in a manner which assists in discharging our accountability, which we have to the community through the social contract. Therefore, the aim of our report is to provide social and environmental information which is useful for decision making, include only material items, and consider cost-benefit analysis. From our point of view, sustainability reporting creates value for the company. We aim to create value among our stakeholders through sustainability reporting in the following ways. Having a strong sustainability reputation helps us to build trust among society and therefore handle the risk management. One example for this is the company Intel launched a new site called exploreintel.com as a way of use technology as a part of stakeholder engagement process. This website has real-time reporting of environmental data, air status, the amount of water conserved during the previous quarter, solar power and recycling figures from the factory. It shows whether different controls on the site are working properly. Additionally, it functions as a communication channel between the company and society. We believe that sustainability reports are more effective if they include the most important points and have the greatest relevance to our business and the mining industry. We want to include in our sustainability reports not only the highlights achieved, but also the challenges the company is facing to build reliance among different groups of stakeholders. Having a good reputation in the community helps protect from a decline in share prices associated with a crisis. Business Week reported that if Walmart possessed the social responsibility reputation of its competitor Target, Walmart stock would be worth 80.4% more, adding 16 billion to its market capitalization.
Thank you, Anna. Firstly, corporate social reporting benefits a company as it aims at influencing people's perception. For example, legitimacy theory explains how sustainable reporting provides information that legitimizes the company behavior by intending to influence the society perception in order to create a good corporate citizens. Most of the company reports on similar details. However, by having an international reporting such as GRI, reporting is more accountable and comparable across corporations. Unsurprisingly, it enhances decision usefulness for our company during the stage of decision making. The last advantage of sustainability reporting is to increase the stakeholders' value and implying an alignment of social and environmental interests of a broad range of stakeholders within our company if successfully meeting its social contracts and also enhance stakeholder engagement. The first disadvantage of sustainability reporting is the environmental liabilities. By disclosing the environmental activities, it will create losses and ambiguity for the company. Therefore, the management have the incentive to manipulate the figures by underestimate so as to make the reports look good. Secondly, environmental risk is another con defined as the risk of being exposed to the potential environmental losses. It is very difficult to determine whether the environmental risk is significant enough to be considered material and may cause a lack of decision usefulness to the management. Therefore, the environmental disclosure may not be necessary to be disclosed because environmental risks are long-term to be considered materiality, while the investor only concerned with the short-term material threats. It is argued that GRI guidelines and supplement falls within the managerialist approach. Data are selectively reported with no conflict between the traditional economic criteria and those relating to the social and environmental aspect. As a result, readers might not have the reliable picture of an organizational sustainability performance and lead to the information asymmetry.
In the conclusion, based on the points has been presented by our group, sustainability reports should be encouraged as it overall brings more benefits to the company by reporting of social and environmental activities. Thanks for listening. Bye!